are 7.7 billion people in this world. Most of them are not here with us today to experience and rejoice with Josh and Emily. That makes each and every one of you very, very special. The rest of the 7.6 odd billion people that will not be joining us today to watch Josh and Emily have the most amazing day of their lives. I ask that each and every one of you today make it your job to ensure they get to have the most amazing day and experience of their lives. Josh and Emily, we are all here today to encourage and support the two of you as your first day as husband and wife. As you enter into this married life, remember the reason we're here today, the reason you get up every morning, the reason you sacrifice, the reason you give, and the reason you laugh.
Yep.
All right. Emily, when I first asked you to be my girlfriend right before we left for summer break sophomore year, I knew I was taking a risk. How could a guy like me keep the most beautiful girl in all of Phi Chi Theta for an entire summer? Although I knew I was taking a risk, I also knew we had made a special connection in just a few months. I didn't know where we would go, but I knew that we had made each other unconditionally happy. Fast forward just a few years, and not only did we survive half of college together, we started our life together. We began our careers, passed two major exams, and adopted a cat. While I think 19-year-old Emily and 20-year-old Josh could have dreamed of those life events together, I doubt that we could have predicted surviving a global pandemic in our very first one-bedroom apartment together. And here we are today, still just as in love as we were back then. Forgot a word. You are the most beautiful woman I have ever laid eyes on. And that you look amazing today. Most importantly, I vow to enjoy our life together to the fullest, no matter where it takes us. And to end, I love you so, so much, always and forever, no matter what.
It gets hard. Man.
Can you imagine floating weightless, like a satellite in the black sky? I dream about things way beyond this atmosphere.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the
Please stand by.
I need to see.
You have to look me in the eyes.
I don't think I'll be able to. Okay. Josh, I can't say I'm surprised that we're here today, because after knowing you for only a few months, I had a feeling that you were the one. It's all waterproof. At the same time, I'm still so unbelievably excited to be here with you today. In this moment, seeing all of our hard work pay off.
You haven't even said anything emotional. Oh my god.
One of my first memories of you is our email exchange to schedule a meeting together for Phi Chi. That exchange happened 6 months before we even started dating.
She did the math, wow.
But you used the closing, always yours. So I have a feeling that you knew I was the one too.
Do we bring tissues on her?
No.
Someone get that.
Okay. I vow to be your navigator, best friend, and wife. I promise to honor, love, and cherish you through all of life's adventures. And wherever we go, we'll go together. I love you always. It's hard. It's hard to get through it.